All right, today we're going to bring accessories for your Quest 3. So the Meta 3, we're going to set it up and see how it works. So first of all, just to let you guys know, this is actually the front piece. This is the back piece that goes into the face. And then they also give you the two handles. And look at these handles are very unique because they got grips here. So if you're playing punching games or any kind of workout games, this is perfect. R for right and then left. And of course, they give you the actual little braces that goes in there, and then you can pull them out in case you have batteries. They give you the little plastic see through, and then of course two buttons to cover the buttons if you want to, if you're not comfortable with it. So we're gonna set this up and see how it works. All right, so we have it completely removed, and of course we remove the actual cover if you want. But first of all, we're just gonna go ahead and go in through in here, and this is simple. All you got to do is wrap it around here. You're gonna make sure that this thing is accessible for the actual charging station, right? So if you have charging station and the buttons too, make sure it lines up pretty good. That's it right there. There you guys have it. You have that nose cut right here, so you could fit your nose perfect. And make sure you adjust it if it's like a little loose on one corner. Now I know what the plastic is for. So when you put this in here, if you guys can see it, you put theirs in there, right? And then what you do is you put the battery. See the battery cover? You can put the battery cover in here. And then the battery goes in there, down, and we have it. So anytime you want to remove the battery, you can just push the actual plastic here. So you have access to all the buttons. Now you do have access to the battery in the back if you guys can see it. So we could cover it back in there and just keep it there in case you want to remove the battery. You can just do that. So very unique, easy. I like it. Look at that. So you have an option either to go the ribbon here or just hold it down. Either option. I like those options. Very simple.